Hey friends, Zen Kuna here, and it is time for some Indian club swinging. I'm going to show you some basic patterns that you can include in your beginning Indian club practice. So I'm assuming you've got the basic salute and cross down, so I'm going to show you the alternating salute and the alternating cross, and then I'll throw in a couple of additional complex moves. Alternating salute. Then we'll do alternating single cross. Next up, we'll do the mixer. So the mixer, one arm is going to be doing a salute, one is going to be doing a cross, and you're going to do them together. So it requires, again, it's more of a brain teaser. And what you want to do is both arms come up, and then one arm lags just a little bit so that you've got a pattern that looks like this, as opposed to both arms coming up at the same time. This is a good enough move, but it's not what I call the mixer. The mixer is, you see that one club is already down while the other club is still up. Then you can just go the opposite direction. So there you got 4 different selections to choose from. You can either be doing your alternating salute, or your alternating cross, or your mixer, which again is the combination of cross and salute. And finally, the combo. So, with just those 4 combinations, you can have a great nature play with your clubs. They are brain teasers, all of them. So, of course, you'd want to know how to do your double cross first and your double salute. That would make it much easier for you to learn these patterns. But even if you're just starting off and you haven't learned anything else yet, put the video on slow-mo, watch the maneuver, and then start playing with it. Remember, go light, go slow, and that will let you grow safely, and you'll develop a good firm foundation for all sorts of advanced club swinging, whether it's with light clubs or with heavy clubs, with wood or with steel. Remember, in Primal Nature Play, I teach always, always, always make it fun. Start off slow and then slow down and build the understanding, build the foundations. Then you can go on for decades, decades and decades. I'm 72 and I'm still going strong. So can you. Make it fun.